Welcome to our video on how to create your first dashboard, where you will learn how to choose a template, add data, add text, add a data player, add a column chart, sort, add a word cloud, and rename a tab. To complete these steps, the base samples must be installed. If any of the required templates and sample data is missing, please contact your administrator. To create a dashboard, click the New icon and select Dashboard. In the resulting Select a Template dialog, ensure that the first template is selected and click OK. To add data, click the plus icon and navigate to Team Content, Get Started, Data, Boston 311 calls, and click Add. This data is from a previously uploaded file. To add a title, open the Widgets panel and drag a text object onto the canvas. Type, select the text, and click the bold icon in the context toolbar. Change the size to 24. Click Align Center. Using the handles, resize the width of the text object to take up the whole top of the canvas. To add a data player that will filter the dashboard according to the weather, open the Sources panel, expand the tree, and scroll down to Weather Condition. Drag Weather Condition onto the canvas below the title. By default, a table visualization is created. In the Visualizations context toolbar, click Change Visualization and click Data Player. Resize the height and width of the data player so that it takes up the top part of the screen below the title. With the data player selected, open the Properties, click the General tab, and change the fill color to light gray. Change the border color to dark gray, and close the properties. To add a column visualization to the dashboard, select both Count and Ward and drag them onto the canvas. A packed bubble chart will be created for you by default. Change the visualization to a column chart. To sort the bars from highest to lowest, expand the visualization, click the More icon beside Count, click Sort, and select Sort Descending. Wait for the preview. Open the Properties, expand the Chart section, and turn on Show Value Labels. And now we can see the values. Close the Properties, click Collapse, and resize the visualization to take up half of the screen. In the context menu for the visualization, click Edit the Title and type. To add a word cloud to the dashboard, open the Visualizations panel and drag the word cloud visualization onto the canvas. To give the visualization some data, Drag the following data items into the visualization. Drag request reason to words. Drag days to resolution to size. And drag on-time status to color. Click Collapse. Resize the visualization to take up the remaining space. In the context menu of the visualization, click Edit the Title and type. At the top of the screen, click Tab 1 and then click the pencil icon. Type. To preview the dashboard, click the Edit Mode toggle button. Click Rain in the data player to filter the dashboard by rain and watch the visualizations update. The charts below are now filtered by rain. If we click on a word, the word cloud updates accordingly, and we can click the bar again to show all data. Congratulations! You've learned how to create your first dashboard. You can save the dashboard into My Content and open it up again at a later date. Thank you for watching this video on how to create your first dashboard. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more about using IBM Cognos Analytics 11.